All right, guys, welcome in. Welcome in. 315.
Sorry, guys, I had to leave it on mute because I was scolding Ty. Just kidding, I wasn't.
All right, you guys, welcome in. Welcome
Ty,
in.
now you really want me to scold you after you put yourself on mute.
I know. All right, you guys, welcome in. Great to see everybody. We got Ben Vicknair with the Carolina Panthers, Brian Zabo with the Bills, Chevy Guy 608 with the Titans, Chris Stencil with the Bears, Crazy Walsh 81 with the Vikings, Crosscheck Cards with the Patriots, Diego Inguez 04 with the 49ers, E-Man Blue 27 with the Steelers, Eric Slaughter with the Chargers and the Broncos, Jay Koskiol with the Commanders, Joe 0706 with the Falcons, Jude Has with the Saints, Mountain Man MT with the Bengals, Rams and Colts, MWEPRYK 107 with the Eagles, Nathan E.L. Quellhorst with the Jets, Richard J. Meir with the Giants, Snake Smile 07 with the Packers, Seahawks and Texans, Tourville 20 with the Lions, Chiefs, Cardinals, Jags, Raiders, Buccaneers, Dolphins, Cowboys, Truck Driver 3940 with the Ravens and the Browns. Heck yes. Welcome in, everybody. Let's have a fun one. Best of luck to, oh no, that's not what I meant. Best of luck to y'all. Next up, we have, I know I just put Mosaic. I did not put Mosaic in the chat, but I meant to. Next up is Prism Draft Picks. And then Mosaic. I think Prism Draft Picks is sold out. And then if you guys want spots on my latest break of the day, let's go ahead and pin that in the chat. And then we'll get started real quick. Few teams left in Mosaic, 2 box. Sweet. All right, you guys. Best of luck. Let me pull up the sheet. I love illusions, so let's pull some nice stuff. All right, 3 autos, 2 memorabilia cards, 6 autos total in the break. Best of luck to everybody. The volume coming in okay? No. Not stackable. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. I think I named today Winner Winner Chicken Dinner Wednesday, so hopefully we can get some nice winners in here. Alrighty, guys, let's have some fun. We got a number 199, Dalvin Cook, Minnesota Vikings. Danny Gray, Mystique, rookie for the Giants. Kenny Pickett. Let's go! Number 1 overall draft pick in the 22 NFL draft. Rayvon Walker, rookie vision. Yellow. There we go. And I learned new lingo from you. That's the bookend. 25 of 25.
Have you ever heard me say bookend until like last week?
Yeah, last week.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say
I picked it up.
I didn't even start saying that until last week.
Yeah, that's where I picked it up. I was like, that's a cool way to put it. And then is it the book front, book cover?
Book cover? Nah. I just say first on the print or something like that. Like
First on the stamp. I gotta put some
I think
ick on it.
first one stamped.
That is so cool. I love Trayvon. And I know the hobby loves him just as much. Josh Allen, amazing. Drake London, rookie. Number to 499 for the Falcons. Kyle Pitts. Illusionists for the Raiders. Number to 299, Devontae Williams. Acetate. Oh my gosh. Bill Parcells. Exclusive ink auto for the Giants. Whoa. Number to 25. One of the best coaches ever. Holy cow.
Actually, they don't have him on the Patriots or the. He was with the Patriots, right?
And the Bucks.
Bucks, that's right.
Well, the Giants is the one that makes the most sense. Operation Detonation, Javonte. For the Bears, number 399, Justin Fields. And a Mystique, John Mechie. For the Texans, number 399 on the acetate. We've got, let's go. This box is crazy. Han Dotson, rookie endorsements for the Commanders, number to 199.
All the pre-orders are up, correct? Yes.
Vontae Williams, George Pickens, Aiden Hutchinson.
I'll see you on Friday.
Later, bro. Have a good one.
Yep, I'll see you guys Friday.
And we got our patch rookie for the Giants, Instant Impact, Rondale Robinson. Nice little, that's a really cool patch, two color. Number to 50. And that will be, I think I have a top loader right here, actually. No. Sam Howell, amazing rookie. And number 499, Deontay Johnson for the Steelers. King of the Cards, Cooper Kupp, acetate, number to 299 for the Rams. Jamison Williams, wow. Number to 75 for the Lions, rookie dual or jersey. There's two colors in there. Wow. Mac Jones, Operation Detonation. Garrett Wilson, Rookie of the Year, Offensive Rookie of the Year for the Jets. And Nick Chubb, number to 399 for the Browns. Oh, let's go. We did get one of those short prints. Funkadelic Randy Moss. Wow. What a box. I'll be top loaded for you. Alright, we're now on to box number 2. per box. The Funkadelics might be.
off the top of my head what we're getting, how much it's going to be from Southern. Oh, it's already there. Okay, I'll look at that.
If they shipped it, they always send an email, an invoice before shipping.
Okay, I'll include that in now. Baby, you have Elite at $100, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure we're keeping it at that. Because that is massive.
Yeah.
All right, best of luck, you guys. Box number 2. Justin Fields base.
You okay?
Najee Harris, number 499 for the Steelers.
I couldn't.
Funkadelic, Treylon Burks, rookie for the Titans. That'll be top loaded. Jameis Winston, and a autograph for the Miami Dolphins, Eric Ezukama, rookie endorsements, number to 99.
Yep.
Nothing?
Donruss.
What did I put on there? Basketball. Highlight 0, draft, no committed. No, that's different. I did Donruss Elite.
Kenneth Walker, Operation Detonation, rookie.
Let's stop him.
We got a redemption for the, oh wow, redemption for the Pittsburgh Steelers, George Pickens.
Southern's final. They normally don't finalize it for 2 weeks out.
And that is a rookie vision signatures red. Wow, that's awesome. Congrats, Pitt. I wish I was live. Operation Detonation, Kenny Pickett, rookie. We've got a red Trey Lance, number to 175 for the Niners. Mystique James Cook, rookie for the Bills, number to 399 on the acetate. Alec Pierce, rookie for the Colts. Kenneth Walker, the third rookie. And we've got one of my favorites for the Packers, Christian Watson, rookie vision. Congrats, Packers. Lots of rookie autos coming out. This is fantastic. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. Number to 99. Garrett Wilson, Operation Detonation, or no, Shining Stars. Rookie Offensive Player of the Year. James Cook. We got the Aqua, number to 199 for the Minnesota Vikings. Justin Jefferson. Mystique. Damian Pierce, acetate. For the Texans, Christian Watson, and Tyquan Thornton instant impact jersey, little jumbo jersey for the Patriots. That'll be top loaded before shipment. No numbering to it. Deebo Samuel, Operation Detonation. Wow. One of these lasers of Garrett Wilson, number to 299, little gold laser. Mystique, acetate, Malik Willis for the Titans, number 299. Rookie Malik Willis. DeAndre Swift, number to 25 for the Lions. I think that's the gold. Illusionist Travis Kelce for the Chiefs, number 399 on the Illusionists acetate. That's a really cool color for the Chiefs.
Blue.
And our
We had yellow,
patch
green, red, black.
is Cooper Kupp, dual, number to 50, dual color. Highlight swatches for the Rams. Nice one added to the Ramley.
I found one in the Panini pack, but I will take that one though.
That will be top loaded for you. And Jamison Williams, amazing. Congrats to everyone who hit in the break. Our autographs are, we get a redemption, George Pickens for the Steelers. Our live autos are Christian Watson, number to 99 for the Packers. Number to 99, Eric Ezukamba, rookie endorsements for the Dolphins. Number to 199, rookie endorsements For the Commanders, Jan Dotson. Number to 25 for the Giants, Bill Parcells, exclusive ink. And number to 25 of 25, Rookie Vision. I believe that's the gold in Illusions.